Welcome back, everyone, to a new adventure with Goldie and myself, Brent. This time, we're going to go try something a little bit new. We're going to go try doing some urban stealth camping. And I've got a great spot picked out. It's about an hour drive from here, and I'll show you once we get there. Come on along, let's go. Unfortunately, Goldie, you got to wait in the car, honey. Man, get a load of these views here. Holy buckets, this is really pretty. There's so much traffic going by. I took a picture of that sign, and I'll go ahead and drop that in here as I'm talking here, so you can get a look at it, and hopefully you read it. Well, there was a little look at the upper Mississippi River along Highway 61 between La Crosse, Wisconsin and Winona, Minnesota. I was just gonna drive through and kind of scope out where I was gonna try to do some urban stealth camping tonight. So let's drive through and see if there's some open areas up here. So there's a mechanic shop right here that always has cars at it. And I was gonna park in between one of these cars, is what I was thinking about doing. I just kind of wanted to scope it out and see what they have for open parking, because I have to be up early anyway and leave for an appointment, so I'll be up and gone before they're even open. But I was just looking for a free spot to scope out. That right there was a little look at where Goldie and I plan on doing a little stealth car camping tonight here in Rochester, Minnesota. I'm just going to try to pull in to one of those spots at that mechanic shop, because I have to be up and gone early in the morning anyway for an appointment. So I think that'll work. We're going to go find something else to do now. Wait till it gets a little bit darker before I pull in there. Let's go find something else to do. Stop at this little park here. This is called Silver Lake Park in Rochester, Minnesota. I'm going to grab Goldie. We're going to go take a little walk around the park here. Kind of a neat little park. Bunch of geese up there you can feed. If we had something to feed them with. I don't have anything. The bad part is, can't play on the playground. No fun, huh, Goldie? We can't have any fun. Let's go walk up here. They got some canoe rentals. We could rent a paddle boat or a canoe, kayak. You can rent bikes too, adult bikes, two-person tandem bikes, electric e-bikes. Man, oh man, they got all kinds of stuff up here for rent. Come on, Goldie, let's go up here. Jeez, you pulled me right along, Goldie. Oh no, they're closed. Bummer, they're closed. It's a Sunday and they close at 7 p.m. today. Well, maybe next time, Goldie. Flooding in Rochester. Cool little walking bridge here we can go across. Let's go across here. The big city of Rochester, Minnesota. Look at Silver Lake from this bridge that we're walking across. Kind of pretty, I would say anyway. Right, Goldie? It's kind of pretty, isn't it? For sure. Come on. It's kind of a nice walk here around Silver Lake. The water's really pretty. The sun's starting to go down. It's a beautiful night for a walk. We have a couple ducks down there. Goldie and I are just walking along and they got this little art thing here. All kinds of geese around here, that's for dang sure. Bunch of them over there across the street. All right, now we went for a little walk around Silver Lake. That is really cool. A lot of geese, a lot of wildlife around, a lot of ducks, geese. Really a fun time. Goldie enjoyed it. She tried chasing after the geese a few times. That was fun. Now, I think we're gonna go get some ice cream. I have a little bit of a hankering for some ice cream, so let's go to Dairy Queen, get some ice cream. Fun fact about this Dairy Queen here in Rochester, Minnesota. This is the oldest Dairy Queen in the state of Minnesota. Let's go check it out. Oh, there's quite a line. I can understand why. It's a popular place. I think it's getting late enough to where we can go park at our stealth car camping spot. Let's go ahead there now. All right, we made it to our stealth car camping spot. I'm gonna get out and show you around here a little bit where we're at. We're just at a Midas mechanic shop is where we're at. All right, you can see I kind of have the car parked here in the Midas parking lot. I'm just gonna camp out here like I'm getting a car worked on, just like anybody else. I'm not gonna put any window coverings up because I don't want to draw attention to myself. So let's hop back in the car because I don't want to be outside too long and have somebody notice me. So let's go ahead and get back in. I'm trying to keep the light down so that nobody notices us. There's still quite a few people that tend to walk by yet. Nice. The hot rod Prius could do that too. I just don't want to show off. Right, Goldie? Quick little update. Just going to bed. It's about 11 o'clock. We just went for a walk. Goldie, she's up front where she sleeps. Got a couple USB fans going, one there and one up there, and we got all the windows cracked a little bit. We'll see everybody in the morning. Good morning. Boy, what a beautiful morning it is. It's about 4:30 in the morning. It's early. I wanted to get the day started early and get out of the stealth camping spot where we stayed last night so nobody sees us getting in and getting out of the car. So let's get this day started. We need to go get some coffee. I need to go let Goldie out. I'm not gonna let her out here since this was a stealth camping spot. So let's get the day going and get out of here. All right, I'm up in the front seat. I gotta get my socks put on and then we're gonna get out of here. Well, that, my friends, was a successful urban stealth camping trip for Goldie and I. Now we need to go get some morning coffee because I don't have any coffee in the car. The car is definitely not stocked for any long distance trips. Thankfully, this little stealth camping adventure that we're on is just overnight because I have some appointments in this town. Before we get our morning coffee, Goldie, we better let you out and go potty. Come on, this way, honey. There you go. Goldie, you feel better? You want potty? Well, there we go. I have my morning coffee. It is going to be a beautiful day here. Thank you so much for joining us and following along on this little adventure that Goldie and I tried. A stealth car camping location at a local mechanic shop. How fun was that? We had no problems all night. We had a lot of fun. Hopefully you had fun. Thanks for following along. Until we see you again next time, peace out.